Is this our fridge?
Yes, Dad. Why?
Because it's almost empty.
Wow. We have 1 egg, some milk, ketchup, and 1 lonely onion. Even the ketchup looks sad.
Good morning! Breakfast is ready.
Yay! I'm so hungry!
Ben, wash your hands first.
Oops. Sorry, Mom.
These sandwiches are delicious.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Wait, was that the last bread?
Yes, now we have almost no food.
Come on, fridge. Please surprise me.
Dad, food doesn't appear by magic.
Don't worry, I have a fun idea for today.
A fun idea?
Today, we have a family shopping challenge.
A challenge? I want to win!
Wait, is this our shopping budget?
Yes, we must buy everything with only $50.
That won't be easy.
David, you will buy meat and eggs.
Easy. I'm a shopping expert.
Dad says that every time.
Emily, you will buy fruits and vegetables.
I'll choose the freshest ones.
Ben, you will buy bread, milk, and cheese.
No problem! Yay!
Remember, buy what we need, not what we want.
What if I see chocolate? Then, don't look at it.
Okay, everyone. Remember your shopping lists.
And remember our budget.
Wow. They all look delicious.
Ben, is chocolate on your list?
No. Goodbye, chocolate. Maybe next time. Good choice.
Excuse me! That's my cart! That's my cart! Oh no! This isn't my cart! Sorry. My wife would ask a lot of questions.
Don't worry. It happens. It happens.
Please stay under $50.
Yes! We did it!
Only 15 cents left. We're shopping champions!
Today, we didn't buy what we wanted. We bought what we needed.
Now this looks like our fridge.
Look! The ketchup isn't lonely anymore.
When we work together, we save money and make smart choices.